The recipient of the award for Best Educational Broker in 2016, ITRADER takes a well-rounded approach to providing online trading services by delivering a thoughtful blend of technology, affordability, and education that can support any experience level or strategy. Since its introduction in 2016, ITRADER has embarked on a mission to make online trading more accessible. It has accomplished this feat by hosting a comprehensive knowledge base filled with resources designed to help educate newcomers and professionals on the nuances of investing. Moreover, these resources complement the tools needed to compete in global financial markets. ITRADER features commission-free investing across all the platform's tradable assets. Investors can pick from CFDs on foreign exchange pairs, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies with variable spreads that start as low as 0.7 pips. Retail investors will appreciate up to 30-to-1 leverage, while professionals can access up to 400-to-1 leverage, both depending on the asset class. To give clients extra assurances about the reliability of the ITRADER ecosystem, the brand is regulated and licensed by the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission. Client funds are segregated from the company's operational accounts. Moreover, the firm is also a member of the Investor Compensation Fund. Experienced investors will appreciate the familiarity of the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is available in mobile, web, and desktop formats. Beginners who are unfamiliar with the platform can benefit from a range of guides and tutorials that explain all the platform's utilities and functions. ITRADER is very upfront about its trade execution, publishing its annual MyFeed 2 execution quality reports directly on the website. All trades are executed via straight-through processing handled directly by the company's liquidity providers. Furthermore, depending on the account type, traders may be entitled to swap discounts up to 50%. One of the cornerstones of the ITRADER ecosystem is the focus on education. Between ebooks, courses, videos, guides, tutorials, one-on-one training, webinars, and articles, ITRADER's emphasis on building skills is highly evident. Customers can contact the company via support ticket, phone, email, fax, and live chat if they encounter any questions. Accommodating company representatives can be reached Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. GMT in English, Spanish, German, and Italian. Answers to common questions are also addressed directly from the FAQ section of the website. Our verdict? ITRADER stands out for its highly complementary ecosystem, which features the education, tools, and conditions helping to develop a successful trading strategy. From commission-free trades on a regulated platform to a range of asset classes and an overflowing knowledge base, ITRADER is an appealing option for both inexperienced investors and professionals alike. With a clear-cut offering and a highly supportive investing environment, ITRADER matches online trading functionality with the education and order execution needed to compete in today's demanding financial markets.